Okay, ready?
To come out to the stage. I would request the SBS Srinivasachari garu to come out to take the seat, please.
ఈ రోజు మనం ఇక్కడ ఎందుకున్నాము, ఎందుకు వచ్చాము అనేది ఎవరికైనా తెలుస్తున్నదా? జనరల్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్లో ప్రతి కంపెనీ దగ్గర 24 జనరల్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కంపెనీస్ ఉన్నాయి. పబ్లిక్ సెక్టార్లో 4 కంపెనీలు ఉన్నాయి. ప్రైవేట్ సెక్టార్లో దగ్గర 18 కంపెనీల దాకా ఉన్నాయి. అందరికీ ఒక ఏజెంట్ అసోసియేషన్ అనేది ఒకటి ఉంది. దాంట్లో మనం అందరం సభ్యులుగా ఉంటే ఈ ఏజెంట్ అసోసియేషన్ నుంచి మనకి ఏమేమి బెనిఫిట్స్ ఉన్నాయని అనేది మీకు మనం 10 మందికి చెప్తున్నాము, కానీ మనం తీసుకోవటం లేదు. ఫ్రెండ్ ఏజెంట్స్ అందరూ జిఆర్పిలో సభ్యత్వం తీసుకోండి. మీ అందరి
Let me invite Sri Y. Subramanian garu, the CEO of Apollo Hospitals, to deliver few words. Please. Should be louder.
Thank you. The president of the today's function, Sri Ramohan Rao garu, a most respected the president of the GRP, Sri Rampolu Sudhakar garu,
IRDI, ex-IRDI,
Okay, ready, sir? Ready, smile. One more, ready? Okay, ready?
Respected dignitaries who have organized this wonderful program, respected members, staff, crew, and the management.
please come first. Fast.
Nice. Okay, sir. Under smile and ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. మీరు నవ్వుతారేమని.
Big round of applause to the media region. Knowing how we can impart the benefits to the customers and how to know about ourselves. The next part comes how to know about your body and the things how we can keep well. To that I would like to invite Sri Siddharth Chakravarti, the endocrine and breast surgery specialist. Sir, please come onto the stage and deliver your ear, please.
Respected President and all the dignitaries of the public sector insurance companies. It's a specialized department. So what is this endocrine and breast surgery? A lot of you might be wondering. I am actually a surgeon and we operate.
All these three are not related. Like thyroid is a big gland. So, and they can also they can function more, they can function less. One thyroid gland can have all these four. Just because the patient is having a Hashimoto's thyroiditis, it does not increase or decrease the risk of developing hemothyroid gland. So, if it comes to
other systemic complications?
No.
Thank you.
Definitely no.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Ready? One more ready?
Be able to contact thousands and hundreds of other people through you. I am Dr. Ramya Valiveru, as has been introduced by my senior colleague Dr. Siddharth. I am a breast and endocrine surgeon. I'll try to make it very simple and emphasize on important points regarding breast cancer. As it is October and we all keep hearing breast cancer everywhere on all the TV channels and papers. So what is breast cancer and why are we talking so much about this these days? So first of all, what is...
Spouses, and at what age they should proactively look at these things. Help
Yes.
them right from lifestyle changes to mammographic or if there is there a support group where they can come for a genetic assessment.
వాళ్ళు మా వాళ్ళు రిజెక్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు హార్మోనల్ థెరపీ నాట్ కవర్డ్ అంటే అసలు అన్నెసరీ హాస్పిటల్స్ హార్మోనల్ థెరపీ చేస్తున్నాయి అలాగే వీళ్ళు అనవసరంగా రిజెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు.
No sir, as I have mentioned, IHC అని ఒక టెస్ట్ చేసాం మనం. బయోప్సీ తర్వాత we did one test called as IHC. In that there are some hormone positive tumors, hormone negative tumors.
The next speaker is Dr. Soman Devi Datta Garu. Please come on to stage, sir. He is a cardiologist and electrophysiologist.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
ఇప్పుడు డాక్టర్ గారు చాలా వివరంగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసినారు. ఇప్పుడు మనము 1 అవర్ దగ్గర డిలే నడుస్తూ ఉంది. బట్ లంచ్ టైం అయిన కాబట్టి తప్పదు లంచ్ చేయాలి.
Sorry if I...
No.
And one more member yet to come is Mr. Ramana Babu is contributing. Ramana Babu is one more member. Big round of applause. people who are interested, they can contribute at next
you. Dear office bearers and agent friends of General Insurance Agents Federation Integrated, my counterpart from New India, Mr. Kalkudar, and my RM, Mr. Krishna Rao, has also accompanied me here. Once again, a good afternoon to all of you. As you all know, our industry is passing through a critical phase where there are many players in the market, both as insurers as well as intermediaries and all. So it's all the more important that our agents, I was always in my career, right from when I joined as a double itself, I was always working along with agents because I always saw them as and see them as part of the industry and a backbone of the industry. So in my career as branch manager, division manager, as regional manager, and now at DTM also, I always go along with agents and I always try to motivate it. Feel if we have, and I'm very happy that the association is caring about the health of the agents also, because I think basically this is a health seminar, and I find from the agenda that many reputed doctors are taking sessions and all. So, and now the next session is on the technical aspect also, about new policies, about fire policies also. So, I'm very glad that this association is taking care of the welfare of its members, and I'm very, because I have, even before I have addressed agents meetings and all, but I have never seen such a large number of people attending, and I hope, and I think in the morning session it would have been still larger. Large number of people attending, and it's a very vibrant session also. So I just came to interact with you, interact with my friends, and then wish you all the best. All the best to the General Insurance Agents Federation and to each and every one of you. Thank you.
As a part of our association's player is guaranteeing 50,000, about 2,50,000 sum insured. So in this context, when there is a fairness there, this is causing a lot of pain point, and people are unnecessarily put to harassment because the senior citizens.
My knowledge goes, there is no such instructions that we have to settle for.
Management of the DPS. I'm talking about CEOs, general managers, COOs.
This particular thing, when there is a PPN.
To go to a PPN hospital or to adhere to the PPN rates, especially when that is not enshrined within the terms and conditions of the policy as filed with IRDA. We are only talking about what is mentioned in the contract.
No.
And
No, I fully agree with you that
rates are not part of the contracts.
No, I fully agree with you. Customer is
To stop these kind of practices.
Yeah, definitely.
Which TPA has told you, sir, like this? Which TPA has told you?
All TPS, sir. All TPS. They told me only we have settling only PPM basis.
Example, one or two TPS, his name?
Everybody,
People,
sir. Everybody.
Now Vidal, MD India, HITPA, Health Insurance TPA. Ericsson, we don't even talk.
No, this should not be the case. Anyway, we'll just have a check and come back.
All TPS telling sir,
Sir, this is
we are settling only
we are bringing this to your
PPM basis
attention, sir, for one reason.
In the non-PPN hospitals. If it is PPN hospital, we'll settle only as per PPN rates.
PPN also they will asking only you pay direct only. No, we have not.
Yeah, that complaint we have. No. See, it is a give and take. Every contract is a give and take. So if the hospitals are, by coming to the PPN network, the hospitals are benefited by increased footfalls.
Sir, at the same time, the hospitals from
that case, uterus operation done in Banjara Hills one hospital. They charge 4,50,000. We have paid only 50,000 as per PPN charge.
So there are
No, they didn't allow
Policy or not. So everyone having the facing the same problem, sir. So the PPN package is the very lowest prices. Whether it is the best should be, it will be everyone hospitals said that there is a low prices for not only cataract, but even every surgery. So no one is allowed. How can my customers are allowing to go for the corporate hospital? So this we are facing a lot of problems, sir. So it is not a short of all, it is not minor issue. So every health policy holders is going for the corporate hospital only. So in corporate hospitals they are not allowing that our package. So they are paying their money to the hospital. So please cooperate that the main point is not only that particular subject.
This is the grassroots reality.
Insurance, what they are providing the premium package like that, they are giving the higher settlement. We are not giving the higher settlement. Because of that, they are not allowing our insurance companies.
No, you should understand one more thing. Even with this PPN package, our retail health ICR is more than 100%.
Sir,
Our retail health ICR is more than 100%.
Those who don't have any other options are staying, sir.
Okay.
And another aspect, sir. Last year, Oriental came out with a circular. If your previous year's ICR is less, is more, you will not be given any. Your commission rates will reduce in health. I challenge Oriental to tell me in how many offices they conducted meetings apprising the agents of their ongoing ICRs, interacting with agents and sensitizing them to improve their business mix, to reduce the ICR by influxing newer, younger people. These meetings have not taken place. No office in charge has given any share. They should prove that they have called a meeting. People have been told that they have actually taken. Your system will tell you if they have taken an agency-wise printout every month and they have interacted with people or they have sent it by mail to the agents. Without sending any intimation, all of a sudden, HO decides that we will reduce the commission because of an ICR. My question is, are the agents only the agents responsible for ICR? Shouldn't the branch management or the office management be taken to task as to what step they have taken to interact with the agent, understand from the agents, and therefore work out the HO?
Definitely, your point is noted. But I don't know, in my former region, we had conducted it, but maybe in some regions they have not conducted it.
We have to decide, we have to earn so much, we have to work so much. We decide, we work, and then we realize, oh, but the rules have been changed. The stumps have been changed after the ball was bowled. Not fair, sir. Sorry, a bit collective.
No. As was mentioned, it was a very busy day for me. Now also I have to rush back. So that is what the purpose of me attending this session is this sort of
Your presence. But we are
yeah, definitely.
Yes, okay.
Honors in Commerce from Reputed Institute, Indian Institute of Management and Commerce, Hyderabad. Masters in Public Personal Management and Postgraduate Diploma in Human Resource Development, the topper. Motivational speaker and HRD trainer, having trained more than 85,000 engineering management students and employees of various commercial organizations across 5 states of AP, Telangana, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and has been ranked as one of the best soft skills trainers in the industry. He is compassionate and believes in working with passion, commitment, and dedication is the key to his success. He inspired and motivated Thousands of students and employees will lead a productive and effective cabinet secretary and won numerous awards such as Outstanding District Chairperson for 3 times, Best District Secretary and Mentor for Clubs, Best Youth Chairperson from District and multiple, and received International President Appreciation Certificate for 3 times. As a line, he considered number of seminars and helped thousands of students.
Hopefully, I will give you the best. Okay? Well, my dear friends, today's topic is interpersonal relationships. These are all very crucial universally, not only a particular segment. Any part of the world, our human resources are crucial across the world. They are not only meant for particular people. All professions, whether they are the recognized professions or unrecognized professions. You know, my dear friends, our profession is highly recognized by LIC of India. Well, my dear friends, నేను తెలుగు వాడిని, తెలుగు కూడా మాట్లాడతాను. Okay? Well, first let me thank our Rapur Sudhakar Garu is my good friend for a last almost 20 years, and thank you very much for giving this wonderful opportunity, and all the respected friends from the respective companies. Well, my dear friends, our sales are the human relationships. Sales are nothing but human relationships. More you have the relationships, more you get the money. My dear friends, it's not that we need to make friendship with the view of getting something in return, not like that. But in the process, they are useful to us, wonderful. But what is the human relationship? Human relationship is the combination of 2 or more people, a relationship between the 2 or more people, and on the basis of solidarity, love, and affection, and business interactions. So, ఇద్దరు కంటే ఎక్కువ మంది బిజినెస్ ఇంటరాక్షన్ కావచ్చు, లవ్ అండ్ ఎఫెక్షన్ కావచ్చు, ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ కావచ్చు, ఇవన్నీ మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకుంటాం ఇక్కడ. Well, my dear, do I have the mic actually?
What of your place?
No, I want to go there. మనకి ఇవన్నీ మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. But next. Any mic? So, I need at least a collar mic or anything. The relationship is wonderful. మనిషి బతికినా చనిపోయినా నలుగురు కావాలండి. మనం నలుగురితో సంబంధం లేకుండా ఐసోలేటెడ్ వరల్డ్లో బతుకుతామంటే జరిగే పని కాదు. So we need the cooperation of all the people. Man is a social animal. We need the love and affection of each and everyone to survive in this world. We need the association. Well, particularly మన బిజినెస్కి అసోసియేషన్ అనేది చాలా కావాలండి. Okay? Well, I'm not comfortable with this.
You have to speak.
Dear friends, I find a wonderful person talking to deputy minister. Well, my dear friend, when you have 1 rupee, just 1 minute.
Yes,
I
sir.
have 1 rupee. I have 1 rupee. You have 1 rupee. When we exchange, how many rupees do you have?
2 rupees.
Only 1 rupee. One idea. You have 1 idea. When we exchange, how many ideas? That is the magic of the actually exchange of thoughts, my dear friends. So, my dear friends, whatever you want to do, You need to have the interest. ఇష్టంతో చేసేది కష్టంగా అనిపించదు, కష్టంతో చేసేది ఇష్టంగా అనిపించదు. ఇష్టపడి కష్టపడు. You need to be interested in whatever you are doing. You need to be committed. When you are committed, when you are passionate to do something, you will achieve like anything. My dear friends, goals are very crucial. All the CEOs, the top 500 companies, the Fortune 500 companies CEOs are sitting in the goal seminar every year. Why? They are very crucial. ఏ స్వార్థం లేకుండా మనం నవ్వితే నవ్వుతూ, బాధపడితే బాధపడుతూ, అనుక్షణం మన గురించి ఆలోచించే వాళ్ళు తల్లిదండ్రులు మాత్రమే. వాళ్ళ గురించి మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? We discuss about that wonderful relationship. Well, interest, you need to be committed whatever you want to be. Well, great qualifications. They achieve like anything because they are passionate to achieve something. Well, my dear friends, ప్రపంచంలో ఎవరైనా ఏం చేసినా, ఏ పని చేసినా దేనికోసం చేస్తారండి? మనీ. Say loudly. Money. My dear friends, money is everything. Money is nothing. మనకి more than 750 crores ఉన్నారు ప్రపంచ జనాభా. వాళ్ళు 1% మాత్రమే టాపర్స్. 5% are the successful people. Remaining 95% of the people are mediocres. ఏదో చేద్దాం, ఎవరో వస్తారని, ఏదో చేస్తారని ఎదురు చూసి మోసపోకుమా, నిజం మరిచి నిద్రపోకుమా అన్నారు శ్రీశ్రీ గారు. My dear friends, nothing comes just like that. If you want to achieve something in your life, what you need to do, your attitude is very important. Harvard University చేసిన రీసెర్చ్లో ఏం తేలిందంటే, సో భరత్ పరీక్ 8 crores in 2 agencies, wife and himself. Well, my dear friends, he invests 15 to 20 lakhs for the seminars, attending the seminars, improving the skills, knowledge, attitude. How much we are spending for our upgrading our knowledge? Yesterday's degree holder, today he does not update, tomorrow he becomes uneducated. Knowledge is a never-ending process, my dear friends. You keep on actually update yourself. Great readers are great leaders. Renewal team and collecting the money, don't feel happy for that. When you do not go for the renewal, my dear friends, you will lose the touch with your policy holder. Relationship is gone. When you go and say hello to him, my dear friends, he will give you the fresh business. You go and speak to him. Renewal collect చేసుకున్నాక మీరు you can speak to him, sir. You can give my actually name to so many people. You can recommend my name to so many people. ఏమైనా 5-10 people recommendation ఇవ్వగలుగుతారా? Especially clients who they will be highly satisfied when the claim is settled. When the claim is settled, he is very happy. ఆయన కంటికి కనిపించేది దేవుడు మీరే. మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఆ టైంలో మీరు వెళ్ళి భగవంతుడైనా సరే చక్కగా పీస్ ఆఫ్ మైండ్తో బ్యాలెన్స్డ్గా ఉన్నప్పుడు రామదాస్ అంటూ ఉంటాడు, నన్ను ప్రోమని చెప్పవే సీతమ్మ తల్లి, రికమెండ్ చేయి, నన్ను చక్కగా చూసుకోమని, నా కోరికలను తీర్చమని రికమెండ్ చెయ్యమ్మా అని చెప్తూ ఉంటాడు. అలాగే మైండ్ ప్రశాంతంగా ఉన్నప్పుడు, హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏ కోరిక కోరినా తీరుస్తూ ఉంటారు. When you go to the customer, when he is satisfied, he will give you lot of references. With that differences, you will get the maximum business. Because they are meeting. Yeah, in case of the public sector undertakings, I know people are not working in the way what we want. Lot of things are happening. There are so many people are reluctant in one organization. The concerned MD has become my fan. That's very crucial. Eppudaina sare keep on prospecting. Qualified prospects, very important. Qualified prospects. Qualified ante నేను ఆలోచిస్తానండి, బాగుంది ఇదేదో. ఇది క్వశ్చన్స్ వేస్తారు చూడండి, ఎప్పుడైతే పార్టీ మనల్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ వేస్తారో దే ఆర్ క్వాలిఫైడ్. సరే నేను చూద్దామంటే దే ఆర్ నాట్ క్వాలిఫైడ్ ప్రాస్పెక్ట్స్. బట్ ఇట్స్ అ బిగ్ సబ్జెక్ట్. ప్లానింగ్, మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ప్లానింగ్ ఈస్ వెరీ క్రూషియల్. Goals lo first important thing is the planning. How many people are planning systematically, sincerely? Ask yourself. You're planning yearly plan, half yearly plan, quarterly plan, monthly plan. When you go and talk to the customer, presentation is very important. Depending upon the situation, you need to make a presentation. ఆయనకి ఎంత టైం ఉంది, ఆ టైంలో ఎంతవరకు మనకి చెప్పింది వినగలుగుతాడు, దాన్ని బట్టి మనం ప్రెజెంటేషన్ చేయాలి. శుభ్రంగా ఒక కాగితం పెట్టుకుని వెళ్ళి ఇదేంటి, ఇలా అయితే ఇదండి, ఇలా రాసి ఎనీ బిసైడ్స్ ఎనీ డిఫికల్టీస్ అండ్ సాక్రిఫైస్. బీ ఫ్రెండ్, లైఫ్ ఈస్ ఎకో, వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ గివ్ యూ విల్ గెట్ బ్యాక్. బీ గుడ్ లిసనర్, ఆల్ ది టైమ్ లిసన్ టు ది పీపుల్, మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. If you listen properly, you can solve the problems. We are here to solve the problems of the people.
I can't speak, but at least I have to find some way to communicate. If I say something to a Telugu speaking person in Telugu, I will be able to reach his heart fast. And the name of the game is, as our earlier motivational speaker,
Sir, there is no process. Please focus. Sorry, sir.
he had mentioned about relationships. The first point is to reach a person, make him interested in you. If I talk about things of your interest, if I tell you that after listening to this and following whatever I am suggesting, you will be able to earn 10,000 rupees by the end of the month. And if I just give you a lecture, what will make more sense to you? आपको मैंने बताया कि आज की मेरी बात सुनने के बाद आप महीना आखिर तक 10,000 रुपये एक्स्ट्रा कमा सकोगे, और मैं सिर्फ यहाँ आके कुछ बोलूँ, दो में से अच्छा कौन सा लगेगा? कौन सा लगेगी बात अच्छी? तुम लोग यहाँ क्यों आए हैं आज? करेक्ट. तो कमाने की बात यहाँ होगी कि चाय के काउंटर पे होगी? तो जो पीछे बैठे सब आगे आ जाओ, मेरे को दिखना चाहिए, क्योंकि ग्लेयर में दिखता नहीं दूर के लोग. सब लोग आगे आ जाओ. फैमिली ऑप्टिमा है ना आपका प्लान? तो फैमिली ऑप्टिमा और यंगस्टर में फर्क क्या है? बट कोपे आता है उसका क्या? कोपे आता है उसका क्या? नहीं, कोपे रहेगा तो कोपे है ना, 60 के ऊपर कोपे है ना, अप टू 7.5 लाख. ये स्टडी चाहिए. 60 के ऊपर एक कोपे है. तो कोपे रहेगा तो क्या करोगे? के ऊपर है, कौन सा प्रोडक्ट दोगे? DSU का विदाउट मेडिकल 65 क्या हो?
కాబట్టి దయచేసి వారిని బ్రేక్ చేస్తున్నాను. మీ అందరినీ కూడా ఆజ్ఞను క్షమించాలి. ఇంకొకసారి సార్ తోటి కూడా మనము తక్కువ సెషన్స్ పెట్టుకుని మంచి మీటింగ్ ఇంకోసారి పెట్టుకుందామని తెలియజేస్తా ఉన్నాము. అంతేకాకుండా వారిని ముందుకొచ్చి చిన్న సన్మానం చేసుకోవాల్సిందిగా కోరుతా ఉన్నాను. అదే సార్ 2 minutes. ఇంకో ఆప్షన్ కూడా ఇస్తున్నాను. ఈ ఇయర్ చేస్తాను ఈ ఇయర్ చేస్తానని పట్టుదల ఉన్న వాళ్ళు కూడా ముందుకు రండి.
వన్ సెకండ్ ఓకే, ఇక్కడ చూడాలి అందరు.
మీ వాడు నేనే తీస్తాడు, మమ్మల్ని తీస్తాడు.
ఎందుకంటే ఫోటో తీసుకున్నాం.
నేను రావటంలే కదా నువ్వు చేయవు నాకు తెలుసులేదు.
మీరు మధ్యలో ఉండాలి. మీరు ఎక్కడ ఉంటే స్టేట్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ మీరు.
सो एक बार जोर से जय जियाफी,
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 जय जियाफी. Mallikarjun sir, thank you very much. Thank you for your cooperation.
ఆగండి బ్రదర్.
ఆయన ఇంట్లో కూర్చొని
ఆగండి.
చాయ్ అన్ని